Take a ride in the 2011 Enclave. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: roof rails, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start, fog lights, roof rack. Inside you'll find audio headphone jacks, rear, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, one-touch windows, too. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.